Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how you find a provider with Anthem Blue Cross of California. First, you will start with their website address. It's anthem.com/ca. That's going to get you to the California site. Once you get here, lots of options, but finding a doctor, we start right up here in the top with Find Care. We get to our next page here. Now, if you are a member and you have an ID number and you want to log in, I recommend you doing that. You would check here, members, and then you would just follow through all the prompts. You can also just start as a guest. This allows you to not have to bother with all that kind of stuff and just get right to the information. I will search as a guest here. What type of care are we looking for? We're looking for medical, of course, dental, vision, pharmacy. You can do those as well. What state do you want to search? We're going to go with California. Type of plan. Most of you will be using this, your health plan, through an employer-sponsored plan. So if you get this through your company, you get Anthem through your business, through your company, then you will choose this medical employer-sponsored. And then plan and network. Now, with these health plans, there's always a lot of different plans and networks. You want to get a real good look at the name of your plan. There'll be lots of words. Prudent Buyer is their big PPO network. But of course, they have the Select PPO network. They have EPOs. They have their regular HMO. So, and you'll see that they have differentiated between small group and large group in a lot of places. So keep your eyes peeled for that. Let's say we want to go with one of our HMO plans. We'll just keep going down here. Silver HMO, California Care, HMO small group. We could use Silver Select small group. So we'll do this. This is the Select HMO network, is a little smaller than their full network. So we'll search that. Now, once you get here, you can, I'm going to put in a zip code, which will help us. And then if you want to search by any of these professions, you can do that. We're going to start with physicians and medical professionals. We're going to assume we're looking for a primary care doctor for our health plan. Again, once you get here, you can search by name if you're looking for someone in particular. I'm seeing 3,400 results within 20 miles. So I can make some changes. I can adjust the sorting by distance, A to Z. So I'm going to slim it down a little bit by checking this PCP box here. So I want this filter here. Boom. I just want to see primary care physicians right now. So I'm going to close it. And now here we are. We've got all kinds of different options, different people. We got female, male. So if you're looking for someone with a specific sex, maybe you're a female and would prefer a female doctor. Here you go right here. You got Charmaine Dora Gujar. Now, if this is the person that you want to be your primary care provider, which remember, when you have an HMO plan, you must select a primary care provider, and that's your gatekeeper. That's where you go every time you have anything. And then they help you get to another provider, a specialist, a lab, a surgeon, an oncologist, whatever it may be. So let's say Charmaine, Dr. Guchar is who we want to choose. We have her name here, so you would copy that and paste that into your application. Sorry, I went into it a little bit. And then the PCP ID number. So they're always going to ask you for a primary care physician ID number. With Anthem, they got real small ones. Other insurance companies have real long ID numbers. This one here for this particular provider is GW1, and it was actually part of the actual, from the initial page we were looking at. So we didn't have to dig in that far if we didn't want to. You could see it right here as well. Okay. So that's how you find it. There's the phone number. You can also do these searches by looking at a map here and see who's closest to your home and closest to where you live, and zoom out a little bit. If you live over in this area, you can see that these providers here all along this area. You can compare them to one another if you wanted to do something like that. And you could even print the list. That is your tutorial on how to find a provider with Anthem Blue Cross. If you are a PPO member, remember in the Earlier in the process, we chose a PPO plan. And when you have a PPO plan, you do not need to choose a primary care provider. Rather, you would use this offering, you would use the network, the PPO network, to find providers that are in your network, and you could go straight to them. Thank you for attending this short tutorial. We hope it was useful, and thank you.